In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, we can use Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and click on Pin. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on Delete button. Last but not least, to pin and delete multiple things, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen ones and operate those two options. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!